Log in or sign up Webull account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how you can easily log in or sign up on your Webull account. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for the following, that is Webull account. So once you search in, just ignore the sponsored website and click on this official Webull website. So just tap on it and it will take you to its official website, that is webull.com. So once you're inside here, if you have an existing account here, you can just click on this login button over here right at the top right corner and enter your phone number or password which you use to register, and you can also sign in with your Google or Facebook as well. So if you haven't already created your account, you can actually sign up as well by simply coming back over here and just clicking on the sign up button over here. So let me just show you from over here. So from here you still have to enter your phone number, and this is your country code. So enter your country code and phone number and it will send you OTP for the verification code, and you just have to paste it over here and click on next, and just like that you will have successfully created your Webull account. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.